In this video, I'll guide you through how to see messages on eBay. Whether you're buying or selling, keeping track of your messages on eBay is crucial for smooth transactions and communication. So, let's dive right in and get you up to speed on how to easily access your messages. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to eBay's website by typing in ebay.com in the address bar. It doesn't matter if you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, just make sure you're on eBay's official website. Once the page loads, you might notice various sections displaying trending deals or items you've recently viewed, but our main focus today is accessing your messages. Now, take your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll find a section labeled My eBay. This section is a gateway to all your personalized eBay activities, from the items you're watching to the ones you've bid on. Click on My eBay and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu offers various options, but what you're looking for is right there, easy to spot. In the drop-down menu, you'll see a link labeled Messages. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your eBay Messages inbox. Here, you can view all your communications with sellers, buyers, or even eBay support itself. It's important to regularly check this section, especially if you're involved in active transactions. Messages can include inquiries about items, offers, or even updates on your purchases and sales. Once you're in your messages, you'll find them organized in a simple, easy-to-navigate manner. On the left side, you'll see folders like Inbox, Sent, and any custom folders you might have created. These help you keep your communications organized. The main section displays a list of your messages, sorted by the most recent at the top. This way, you can quickly see the latest updates without having to search through older messages. If you ever receive a message that seems suspicious or looks like spam, eBay provides options to report such messages to keep your account secure. Always be cautious with messages that ask for personal information or direct you to external links. Remember, communication is key on eBay, whether you're clarifying details about a product or resolving any issues that might arise. Checking your messages regularly ensures that you're always in the loop and can respond promptly. This is especially important if you're a seller, as timely responses can lead to better customer satisfaction and positive feedback. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to access and manage your messages on eBay. It's a simple process, but an essential one for anyone active on the platform. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to enhance your eBay experience. Thank you for watching, and happy eBaying.